Good morning to one and all. Today I would like to start teaching poster making, how to write poster. So, poster should be eye-catching. It should be attractive and persuasive. Here is given one poster that it can give you a clear picture about it. Next, what is the purpose of a poster? Poster should be informative. The messages are brief and specific. Poster should create awareness, especially social awareness. They give clear facts. Poster is also about extending public invitations and circulate notices. This also gives clear information. They are large print documents designed to grab people's attention. The types of posters, they are advertisement, informative and scientific. Nowadays you have seen many posters related to business advertisements or film advertisements. Some posters are related to informative, like COVID awareness, etc. There are some posters they are about the scientific. They are related to universe, Mars, etc. What are the main parts of a poster? There are three things to be remembered. One is heading, it should be written in the middle in a bold letter, and picture, some pictures can be drawn, and messages, slogans. These are the three main parts of a poster. There are some points to remember. Firstly, we discuss the layout. You need to use a full page or fresh page. The poster should be visually attractive with your messages and your pictures. The title should be suggestive. You can use slogan, jingle or short words. You can sketch or do the simple drawings. No need to decorate in that such manner. The letters of different size and shape. Example, you can write the capital letters but in different shape like film posters in the heading. Okay. You must remember to give some space. Proportionate space must be there. Content. The theme or subject of the poster must be there. You can give the detailed description associated with the theme or title. Okay. If it is advertisement poster, you need to give details like time, date, venue, event, etc. Do not forget to write the issued by or organized by. It is written at last, mostly in the left side or in the middle. You must strictly follow 50 words of a poster, then only it looks attractive. If you write in more words, the poster may not be good. Expressions. Suitable phrases, suitable slogans, and persuasive language can be used. Posters must be creative in terms related to content or design. It must be creative. Overall organization and sequence of the matter that to be expressed. So this is a format of a poster. This is an advertisement poster. If it is non-event poster, there you should not write date, time and venue. If it is event poster or advertisement poster, we should write like this. Next, this is a poster, a simple poster. This is a sample. You can have an overlook. So some more description of poster. So posters are two types: event poster, non-event poster. It may be event poster or non-event poster. You must write in 50 words. We must not forget the title of the poster and at last issued by. Who is the issuer? Event posters are certain things are to be remembered. You have to write slogan, announcement, date, venue, features, concluding statement, name of the organization. This is an example of event poster. This Diwali lit the lamp to remove the darkness. Okay, organized by ABC Public School. The certain items are to be written. This is event poster, an advertisement poster. Now let's move to non-event poster. It contains slogans, statements, highlights, statements, and name of the person or organizer or issued by. Okay, so this is the non-event poster. Discipline is the key to success. It is written in some style. You can make other designs also. There is no such bound. See, their phrases or words are given: focus, achieve goals, consistency, success, fixed, etc. At last, it is written issued by. So, focus on more with messages. No need of focusing on drawings, etc. This is a simple poster on health is greatest wealth. Be conscious of your health. So about this, issued by LDBC Park by Secretary Guwahati, etc. So this is one on the simple posters. Thank you everyone for watching.